Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence came to be? Let's take a journey through time. The story of artificial intelligence began long ago with ancient myths of intelligent beings. These narratives paved the way for the study of logic and reasoning, leading to the programmable digital computers we know today, developed in the 1940s. This technology inspired thoughts about creating electronic brains. In 1956, at Dartmouth College, the field of AI research began in earnest. Visionaries predicted machines with human-like intelligence within a generation. The U.S. government invested heavily in this vision. However, they soon realized the obstacles were underestimated. By 1974, criticisms led to significant funding cuts. However, a resurgence occurred in the 1980s, driven by Japanese initiatives and the success of expert systems, resulting in a billion-dollar industry. Yet enthusiasm faded in the 1990s, resulting in an AI winter. As the 2000s dawned, machine learning emerged as a powerful tool. Powerful hardware and vast data collections drove success. The introduction of deep learning revolutionized AI, leading to the transformer architecture in 2017 and the birth of generative AI applications. The 2020s saw an AI investment surge and the rapid development of large language models like ChatGPT. These models demonstrated human-like skills and found applications across various industries. Nevertheless, ethical concerns about advanced AI's risks began to surface. Examining historical myths reveals earlier ideas of artificial life, like Talos, a bronze guardian, and Pygmalion, the sculptor yearning for love. These concepts reflected humanity's fascination with creating intelligent entities. Moving through history, we find the alchemist Paracelsus and the golem, hoisted into life from clay. Fiction like Mary Shelley's Frankenstein and Carl Chapek's R.U.R. questioned the nature of life and intelligence in machines. Artificial intelligence fundamentally relies on the premise that human thought can be mechanized. The early researchers believed they could model intelligence and reasoning through logic and mathematics. Turing's seminal work in the 1950s presented a way to evaluate machine intelligence through the now famous Turing test. This spurred future research into neural networks and symbolic reasoning. The 1960s brought about significant advancements, with AI programs capable of solving algebra problems and proving mathematical theorems. The logic theorist showcased the potential for machines to simulate human thought. As months passed post-Dartmouth, the excitement led to increased funding. Yet, some believed AI researchers overpromised. The ensuing critiques prompted funding reductions, but also relentless exploration of AI, resulting in new ideas in common-sense reasoning and expert systems. The notion of expert systems flourished in the 1980s. They harnessed expert knowledge to solve specific problems, showcasing practical applications of AI. However, skepticism about pure machine learning persisted, especially after the limitations of perceptrons were exposed in the 1970s. Critics argued machines weren't equipped to handle common-sense knowledge and reasoning. Recent developments led to a renewed focus on building more robust AI systems. By the 21st century, researchers emphasized training models on data-rich environments, leading to breakthroughs like convolutional neural networks. The AI boom of the 2020s marked a major shift. Key advancements in transformer architecture laid the groundwork for large language models capable of understanding context and generating human-like responses. As AI capabilities have grown, so too have ethical concerns about its applications. From misinformation to job replacements, the implications of unrestricted AI development raise important conversations about our future. As we look ahead, the call for responsible AI development has never been more critical. Recognizing potential threats, we must ensure ethical frameworks guide society's embrace of this transformative technology. Join us in this exploration of artificial intelligence's fascinating evolution, and consider how we can shape a future where AI serves humanity's best interests. React, engage, and share your thoughts on the journey of AI in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of artificial intelligence, Like and subscribe for more insightful content.